Gotcha. So if you had water damage and you didn't catch it within that window, like how quickly can it spread? Then are you talking like like if it's a wall, you would just have to keep tearing open to find out how far the water damage goes at that point?
Yes. If you can get to it within 48 hours, you won't have a problem. If you can dry things very fast, that's the key. That's what you really want to do. Extract the water and dry it. If you can get it all done within 48 hours, beautiful. That's a great thing. If you can't, you start peeling the onion back and seeing how far the damage goes and just keep working at it until you get everything exposed and that can be dried. So at the end of the day, all the porous materials come out. Things that are semi-porous, like the wood studs in a wall, they get they get cleaned, maybe sanded if they're moldy, vacuumed and so forth. You clean up the area and then you dry all that stuff out and put it back together.